Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to remove phone number from Google account. And what we have to do is to launch our Google application. Then we're going to search for my Google account. As you can see, I had already searched for it. From there, I am going to tap on this website, and then I'm going to tap on go to Google account. And then from here, I'm going to tap on personal info. Then we're going to scroll down until we find contact info, and from there we can actually see our number. We're going to tap on it. From there, I'm going to still tap on the number, and from there we can actually see the option to actually delete. I'm going to tap on it, and from there we're going to tap on remove number, and that's how you can remove phone number from Google account. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.